Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Mario Kart 8 Deluxe with 2 players on your television. First, power on your Nintendo Switch and head to the home menu. Make sure both of your Joy-Con controllers are charged and ready. You can attach them to the console or use them wirelessly. Then, simply select the controllers icon to pair them up. It's a quick and easy first step to getting your race started. Once your controllers are connected, launch Mario Kart 8 Deluxe from the home menu. From the game's main screen, you'll want to select the 2-player option. This will allow both you and your friend to choose your favorite characters and kart setups. Take your time to pick the perfect combination for the track ahead. After confirming your choices, you'll be ready to select your race settings and hit the road. Mario Kart 8 Deluxe offers several exciting game modes for 2 players. You can dive into Grand Prix, which features a series of 4 races, or opt for a versus race where you can customize rules like item frequency and the number of laps. For a different kind of fun, try Battle Mode, with its 8 unique arenas for thrilling combat. There's also time trials if you want to challenge each other's best times. To truly enhance your 2-player Mario Kart experience, connect your Nintendo Switch to your television using the dock and an HDMI cable. This provides a much larger and more immersive view of the action. You might also consider using a Nintendo Switch Pro controller for added comfort during extended play sessions. Experiment with different characters and kart parts to find what works best for your racing style. Enjoy the ride.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.